Click on the link below to get price. The commercial dehumidifier with a remarkable 200 pint capacity stands out as an exceptional solution for large spaces plagued by excess moisture. This robust unit, operating at 115V and drawing 945W, is engineered for efficiency, making it ideal for basements, warehouses, and construction sites. One of the primary features that sets this dehumidifier apart is its impressive capacity. It can extract up to 200 pints of moisture per day, addressing the needs of environments where humidity levels can reach alarming heights. This capability ensures a comfortable atmosphere and protects your belongings from mold and mildew, which can lead to costly damages and health risks. The built-in Purge pump is a fantastic addition, allowing for continuous drainage of collected water. This feature is particularly beneficial in settings where manual emptying would be cumbersome. Simply set it up, and you can focus on your tasks without worrying about water accumulation. The pump efficiently directs water to a drain, eliminating the need for constant monitoring. Mobility is another significant advantage of this dehumidifier. Equipped with sturdy wheels, it can be easily maneuvered from one location to another, making it convenient to use as per your needs. Whether you need to reposition it in a large room or transport it between job sites, the design ensures hassle-free transportation. In terms of performance, this dehumidifier operates quietly, allowing for continuous use without disrupting work or leisure activities. The user-friendly control panel makes adjustments a breeze, giving you the flexibility to select your desired humidity levels easily. In conclusion, the commercial dehumidifier with a 200 pint capacity is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly solution for moisture control. Its combination of high capacity, a purge pump for hassle-free operation, and portability makes it an indispensable tool for anyone dealing with significant humidity challenges. If you seek an effective way to protect your space from excess moisture, this dehumidifier is undoubtedly worth considering.